Hey everyone, so the customer dropped off that Geo Metro. You remember that from about a week ago with the severe oil leak from the oil filter? Remember it was just dripping off? I'll put a link to that video on here. Anyway, so he came back and he said, oh, it's still leaking oil. I'm like, really? Still leaking oil? Okay, let me show you what we got. Here it is, and I'll tell you what, pretty dry. Definitely not leaking from there. I don't see any oil anywhere. Do you? Power tranny, everything's dry oil-wise. However, see that? Yeah, that's coolant. So we got ourselves a coolant leak somewhere. Of course, I did clean this off, but you're never going to get all the oil out. It's, you know, it's all over the place somewhere. So I guess what I'm going to have to do is go up top and see if I can't figure out where that coolant's coming from. Now the radiator's all the way over on that side. It only takes up, I mean, it's a little tiny radiator. So that can't possibly be from the radiator spewing back. So let's let this down and see if I can't find it. All right, so now we're down on the ground. Let's see what we got here. Extra light. I see coolant down there. There's nothing over in this area. Only thing it could possibly be is a water pump. I'd have to disassemble this thing to find out for sure. So I'm gonna have to check with the customer, see if he wants to go that far. But just judging by what I see down there, you can see it at the corner. I think that's either the oil pump. No, it's probably the, I don't know. Could be oil pump, could be water pump. Who knows what that is? That base piece right there. So I just don't see anything over here. Oh no, wait, no, the water pump is right there. Duh. See it? There's a water pump. So what do we have here? We're gonna take this thing apart. I don't know if he's gonna want to go through that. Could be a head gasket. Who the hell knows? Could be a freeze plug. I don't know. I guess we're going to have to call a customer and see what they want to do. Because I'm not going any further than that unless they want to pay me. You know, that's it. I don't work for free. Anyway, that's it. I hope you like my videos. If you do, hit the like button. If you could, please subscribe. It'll help me make more videos, better content. If you want to go to Facebook and join our group called Backyard Mechanics, please do so. Don't block your profile. Make sure you answer all the questions because we screen everybody. We check. It's a private group. We have great admins and we try to keep, you know, good people in the group, and so far we have a great group. So if you want to go ahead and do that, go right ahead. I really appreciate it. All right, you guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.